ChatGPT 4.0's image generator is unstoppable. If you have ever struggled with design tasks, you are about to have your mind blown. Today, we are diving into a new AI feature that's going to change the game for designers, marketers, and creatives alike. You have probably heard of ChatGPT 4.0, but today we are talking about its new image generator, and trust me, it's about to replace your designer. First up, let's talk about the ability to generate images with perfect readable text. No more blurry, jumbled up text that makes your visuals look like a mess. This new AI update can generate images with crisp, clear text, and not just any text, we're talking about real, readable font. Let's try it out. I'm going to create an image of a coffee shop menu with a list of drinks. Sounds simple, but just wait for it. As you can see, it takes a bit of time to generate because the details are insane. We have got the menu, and the text is flawless. No mess, no gibberish. Let's try a different one. Here is an image of a restaurant received with a few items listed. The first part looks perfect, but as we scroll, you'll notice the text starts to look a little messy. No worries, though we can just regenerate and tighten up the text. Upload the image and give the prompt. Wait for a few seconds and boom, you can see the response. But it gets even better. This isn't just about text. Let's see how the AI handles mixing realism with creativity. I'm going to ask it to generate an image of a yoga instructor leading a session in a beautiful park. Look at that, the details are spot on. If you're not satisfied with the image, you can easily tweak it to make them fit your vision. Now let's talk about editing. You can upload your own images and let ChatGPT transform them. Upload the image, then give a prompt. Wait for a few seconds, and you're gonna find the response. So I have uploaded a picture of kitchen and I'm gonna ask AI to redesign it and make it more modern and spacious. Look at that, a completely redesigned open concept kitchen, and while the lighting could use a little tweaking, overall it's incredibly realistic. ChatGPT just saved me a ton of time. For all the fashion enthusiasts, you can even upload photos and create visual try-ons. I uploaded a picture of a dress and a photo of myself. Provide a prompt, wait for a few seconds, and here you can see the result. So, as you can see, ChatGPT 4.0's new image generation features are a total game changer. Whether you are designing social media posts, logos, or even trying to visualize new ideas, this AI can help you do it faster and better than ever. It's not perfect, but it's a huge step forward. Make sure to drop a comment below if you want to dive deeper into any of these features or try out some new AI tools. And if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.